our Aeromotive fuel pump, our 525 intake fuel pump, into our fuel safe fuel cell right down here. So first things first, we pulled out our 340 Stealth, and what we're gonna do is take our 525 around the table, and we're gonna drop it into our fuel cell. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we are removing our 340 Stealth. Cut off our little permanent ring clamp. We'll just replace that with a screw-on one. Take the harness, clip her in. Ooh, direct fit. See, this is where I get a little confused here. Okay, all right, there's some clear instruction. Yeah, wait, no, it goes into here. So that, wait, goes into here. But how? How the hell is it going in there? What does this connect to? I mean, shit. I don't see anything to place that plug necessarily. We have a magnet holding all of these. All right, so this magnet goes to that on the other end of the fuel cell. And then right here in this hole, it's gonna pick up fuel. Yep. Then I got a check valve basket here. Okay. Then I got a pickup tube right here. All right, so I lost this piece. Just found it after scavenging through my shop. This gets a little bit of thread locker. It's actually plumber's tape. And you're always gonna wanna go clockwise on this. And just spin this around here. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna screw this barbed fitting. Okay, so I kind of bit into this and screwed it up a little bit. So maybe I should cut this. Okay, cut off wheel here. All right, that's gone. Here we go. Put this on, screw it on tight. We do want to make sure that there's nothing still left in here. Now let's go take a ring clamp. Where's my little ring clamps? There we go, that works. We've got some more in here. 1, 2, let's find one more. Guys, Harbor Freight is the best. Okay, heading back over to our workbench. Hey, bud. Should now sit flush. Look at that, perfect. All right, feeling like $1 million. I think we did this right. This connected on there smoothly. So this connects to that. We've got our pickup tube now connected to our siphon inlet barb. Here we go, we got our little gasket. Shove her through here. Okay, and then this goes up and around. So this comes down here. Okay, next, the spring itself needs to actually go over this thing. So let's pull it out a little bit. All right, so, you know what, let's set up some lights. Okay, so you want to take out a couple coils because those need to sit over this inlet before the hose goes on. And then we wrap it over like so. Let's clamp and tighten her down. Let's put it over here away from the bracket. Okay, that's a snug fit. That's not going anywhere. Okay. Fuel pump is one part I am still not 100% sure about yet is the check valve basket. Oh, I should probably plug this in first. So we've marked down here where we're gonna cut. We'll find a place to mount the sub and the manifold and get the lines routed nicely over the carpet, and the trunk will be done. But yeah, oh yeah, by the way, we're doing a little trunk renovation since we didn't really intro this.
Spent the whole day in my head, do a little spring cleaning. I'm always too busy dreaming. Well, maybe I should wake up instead. A lot of things I regret, but I just say I forget. Or can it just be easy? Why does everybody need me to stay? Oh, I hate the feeling when you're high but you're underneath the ceiling. Got the cards in my hand, I hate dealing. Yeah. Get everything I need and I'm gone, but it ain't stealing. Can I get a break? I wish that I could just get out my goddamn way. What is there to say? There ain't a better time than today. Well, maybe I'll lay down for a little, instead of always trying to figure everything out. And all I do is say sorry. Half the time I don't even know what I'm saying it about. Good news, good news, good news, that's all they wanna hear. No, they don't like it when I'm down, but when I'm flying, no, it make them so uncomfortable, so different. What's the difference? When it ain't that bad, it could always be worse. I'm running out of gas, hardly anything left. Hope I make it home from work. But so tired of being so tired. Well, I gotta build something beautiful just to go set it on fire. I'm no lie, but sometimes the truth don't sound like the truth. Maybe cause it ain't. I just love the way it sound when I say it. It's what I do. If you know me, it ain't anything new. Wake up to the moon. Haven't seen the sun in a while, but I heard that the sky's still blue. Yeah.
What's really cool about this fuel filter is if you ever need to service it, just pull it out from this bracket here. You can unscrew it, put it right back. But right now,
Good news, good news, good news, that's all they wanna hear.
fan fittings. Now what we're gonna do is
No, they don't like it when I'm down,
and
but
check
when
this out.
I'm flying, no, it make them so uncomfortable, so different. What's the difference? There's a whole lot more for me waiting on the other side. I'm always wondering if it feel like
Performance fuel rail installed. We have it connected from our Fuel Safe fuel cell, going from the outlet all the way to the front of the fuel rail here. We have it routed going from the back to the side of our Aeromotive fuel regulator. We just have a single fuel rail, so we're only taking advantage of one side of the regulator. The other side, we're just gonna cap it off, and we'll be done. But yeah, so far it's pretty clean. We started connecting the electrical side of things. I'm stoked on the progress we made today. Car is looking awesome. Can't wait to like drive it and it be reliable. Anyway, big thank you to Aeromotive, Nuke Performance, Fuel Safe, Mishimoto. These are all companies that recently sent us parts. We're waiting on a oil cooler cap from Raleigh Road and some goodies to route our Mishimoto oil cooler, which is sitting over here in the back. We've got our lines already mounted to it. I've already got a spot where I want to put it. Just waiting for that, and then we'll do an install on that next. Stay tuned.
Well, maybe I'll lay down for a little, instead of always trying to figure everything out, and all I do is say sorry.